Hello, sister.
Hello, Sat Sahib.
What is your name?
Rupali Patil.
Rupali ji, where are you from?
From Pune, Maharashtra.
What do you do?
Presently, I am a housewife, but I have done graduation with specialization in Marathi.
When did you get associated with Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
We got associated with Sant Rampalji Maharaj in 2004.
Before taking initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj, were you following any other spiritual practices?
Yes, just like people follow the ancestral way of worship, we used to worship all the gods and goddesses like Brahma, Vishnu.
When you were already following spiritual practices, then why did you take initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
I felt something when I heard his spiritual knowledge and I read his book. This incident took place first that my husband got initiated from him. When he came back home after getting initiated, I asked him if he has taken the initiation from a guru and which god and what is it all about. He replied, I don't know much about it, but I have taken the initiation. And then he told me about the rules. Those rules are like no intoxication, meaning no drinking, no alcohol, no smoking, no cigarettes, no tobacco, no meat, no adultery, no stealing, no fraudulent activities. So I got very attracted to those rules. See, I never heard about a saint with these rules. Considering the rules, I mean, I had a goal in my life that how a person should live his life. That everything should be perfect in his life. A husband should be away from addictions, meaning he should not be addicted and follow such rules too. He should look up on other women as sister or a daughter and respect them. Refrain from stealing and fraud or any other criminal activity, no fraud. I thought I was interested into a lot of social issues right from my childhood. That's how a society should behave. The society should be good and there shouldn't be any vice or malpractices in it. After reading the rules of Sant Rampalji Maharaj, I felt very good and happy. I did not hear much of the spiritual discourse till then, but I was already very attracted after listening to his rules, and I told my husband that you have done an excellent job. Another reason why I liked it even more was because of the drinking. It is mentioned that one cannot drink alcohol. My husband is into automobiles business. Due to peer pressure, we had to go to the parties regularly. Even though he did not like it, it seemed to be the trend where in a hi-fi society, if you don't drink, then you are treated like a villager. Because of this pressure, he used to drink at times, and after coming home, we used to fight. I used to say, why? When I don't like it, then why do you do? Why do you listen to your friends? Listen to me. We have to live together in this house. And it is not a good thing that you drink under somebody's pressure. Why do you have to drink just for the sake of maintaining a status in the society? Why do you have to drink? This used to be a regular problem, even though everything else was fine. He used to respect me and my family, and everything was fine. But I just never used to like his habit of drinking. As soon as he took initiation, that tension of mine was finished.
See, as you are telling, you read the rules where it was written drinking should not be done. One should not be addicted, do not look upon someone in vulgar manner. When we look in the society or at other saints, all saints tell the same rules. But when we look at the ground level, are these things followed in reality?
Yes, being from Pune, Maharashtra, and having lived in Maharashtra since my childhood, earlier I was in Jalgaon and the journey I had been through from Jalgaon to Pune, so I have seen that saints do set the same rules. But till date, I haven't seen their disciples following like other saints, many gurus. None of the disciples follow these rules. I have even seen what they say is, their gurus, other gurus except Sant Rampalji Maharaj, all other gurus today on earth tell, alright brother, you can do somewhat. Come take initiation, do little bit and donate whenever you wish. I do not like this. And I have seen it myself that no one follows these.
You are an educated woman and you said that your husband used to drink alcohol. You didn't like it all and because of which you both used to fight. But if we talk about those women who are very poor and belong to the lower class, when their husbands do such intoxication, we can think whatever the family income that was supposed to be used for their nourishment, a major proportion of it is consumed for intoxication. We can easily imagine the kind of arguments and fights that used to happen in their home. What would you like to say about those women whose husbands are addicted to intoxications and are into a lot of bad activities.
Yes, for those women, I can say that till today, government has come up with so many policies, such as putting ban on alcohol, trying different things. But what we think and what we see in the papers or read in the newspaper and what we see on TV, none of these policies are meant to be followed. These are just on papers. These policies introduced, they organize rallies. I have even paid and followed all this. I have interest in social work and I have seen this in the past where people just frame these policies. But when it comes to implementation, it is 0%. So far, nothing has been changed. It is running for long. By now, the society should have improved.
Like, you have told a lot of things, but people feel that if they are taking initiation from a saint or get associated with him, they should get some financial benefits, physical benefits, mental benefits. They should also get spiritual benefits. We would like to know from what benefits you have received after taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Yes, we have received a lot of benefits, and if we start to count them, then this day and night will fall short. But I will tell you about a few special benefits. The first benefit was I was told by the doctors that I have a problem in my throat and was told that it is a big tumor. When I underwent treatment from a specialist, he told me this tumor could be cancer. Since you are educated, you should not delay the medical process, and whatever the findings are, we shall treat you accordingly. After he told us this, we sought help from our Guruji, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, and we sent our prayers to him because I had taken initiation and I had faith in him. Not just faith, but a strong belief that whatever needs to be done will be done by Guruji. Until today, I had just heard that Guruji provides such benefits. Guruji gives financial benefits, physical benefits, and spiritual benefits. He gave all benefits. So I thought that now I will test him. Now it was my time, so I prayed with my whole heart. I requested Guruji and offered prayers from my heart without speaking a word. I even continued to undergo the treatment the doctors had advised. When the result came, when my reports came, you all will be surprised to find out that I had cancer. I quickly realized that I didn't have much time left. I didn't have a long life. The ground slipped from under my feet. I thought, what should I do now? I thought, if I die, I have a son. How will he live? My husband might get married. But what about me? And then I felt that this life is so short. Whatever I was supposed to do, I will not be able to do any of it. Then I prayed to Almighty, meaning I prayed to Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj that, Lord, I want to live a little longer. Please grant me life. I do not want to die so soon. I have to live for my son, and a miracle happened. This will appear as a miracle to you, and you might feel that I am just babbling. But no, I have experienced it. When a person faces a problem himself, that person cannot lie. Whatever I am saying, each and every word is true, because for those 2 days until my reports came in, I have experienced as to what it means to die and what it means to be alive. After we sent our prayers to my Guruji Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, we received a reply that, daughter, Almighty will bless you and your Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj will bless you. And then in the evening, we got the medical reports. The report said that I only have a viral infection. I had none of the 4 diseases that were told to me, including the cervical cancer, one is TB, and the other 2 diseases associated with the throat. Do you know why I felt it was true? One thing happened with me. The heredity of my family is such. My grandfather had cancer. My uncle was a doctor himself, and even he had cancer, and they passed away at an early age. Give it a thought. Then I felt the time to come in my 3rd generation. The doctor said yes. He asked me my family history when he saw my heredity, that my grandfather had throat cancer, my uncle had stomach cancer. Then 100% you should have cancer. I said, it is fine. Now what will we do? Meaning, it is easy to say, but I have been through so much pain and I cannot talk about the condition. Another thing that I would like to share, which is another reason why I strongly believed in Almighty. I had my horoscope. In the past, I used to believe in horoscope. I immediately searched for my horoscope, which was made long ago when I was in college, and I used to show my hand to a palmist. I was told that I don't have a very long life, maybe around 40 years, and I will suffer from a disease and that I will not be able to come out of it. when I was diagnosed with this tumor, and when the doctor told me about the diagnosis, I immediately took out that horoscope from my cupboard and tallied it. Yes, it is the start of 37th year, and with cancer could live for at most 2 more years. This cannot be a coincidence. After looking at all these things, as you can imagine, this is not magic. Almighty have blessed me so much that even after 100% chances of cancer, Sant Rampalji Maharaj has bestowed his blessings upon me. His mantras, his worship has so much power that he cured my cancer. Sir, I would like to share 2 more benefits. One of the incident was that my husband had a car accident on the Mumbai Express Highway. It was such a dangerous accident that the conductor hit twice his car from behind. After the car was hit, my husband placed his head on the steering wheel and he remembered the mantra that he got after he took initiation from Guruji. Suddenly, 2 faces came in front of his eyes and he thought that this was his last moment. When a person realizes that this is his last moment, similarly my husband visualized my face and my son's face flashed in front of his eyes and he chanted the mantras given by Guruji. At the end, he laid his head on the steering wheel and a miracle happened. After 5 minutes, he realized he was driving the car comfortably. He kept driving and did not stop and came home immediately. If we gave it a thought, how did it happen? There was a proof to make us believe that. The moment he reached home, he told me, "Please come down immediately. Look, I had an accident." First, I asked him, "How are you?" And he replied that I am fine. We saw the rear of the car and it was completely crushed. Everyone was saying that the car could have toppled and anything could have happened. But it happened in such a way that Almighty saved him. Then we realized what is God. The second benefit was with my son, who is currently in Bangalore for his studies. He was away from home and doctors diagnosed him with chickenpox. He started crying, "Mama, what will I do now?" He said, "I have chickenpox and now there will be a break of 1 month from studies and I will not be able to do it." I said, "It is fine and we will pray to the Almighty." I placed a request at the ashram, "Almighty, this has happened and now what will we do?" So after receiving our prayers, Almighty said that light a lamp. He immediately remembered that he did not light a lamp. He lit the lamp at 10:30 to 11 p.m. What we saw next morning, it was a miracle. We were all praying. Even he prayed to Almighty from the bottom of his heart and his chickenpox completely disappeared. But from a medical standpoint, we were still in doubt. We asked our son to go to the doctor and get a confirmation that truly the chickenpox has actually disappeared. He went to the doctor and the doctor said, "Yes, I only told you yesterday that you had chickenpox yesterday. I will not give you medicine now. When I look at you today, you look fine." It could only be God who has given you such relief.
I would like to ask you one more question. Whoever takes initiation from Saint Rampalji gets a lot of benefits. Even you seem to have received many benefits from Saint Rampalji Maharaj. What would you like to convey to those people who are suffering from various deadly diseases and are not getting any financial and mental benefits?
I would like to say only one thing to all my brothers and sisters. I am not capable to give a message. However, I would like to request the whole world, anyone who has problems, please come here and experience it yourself. Listen to the spiritual discourses and understand actually what is written in our holy books and scriptures. Today we all are educated and no one can fool us. Whatever devotion we did until today, we did it based on our ancestrals. Whatever folklores we heard from our grandfathers and great-grandfather, we kept following those. But we never thought what we are doing and why is it happening. We all say that the Almighty can do this, Almighty can do that. We kept worshipping Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh in our accordance to ancestral way of worship. But what did we not get benefit? Why did we keep suffering from pain? Why are all of us in pain? Someone is suffering from cancer while somebody has another diseases. Everyone is troubled. For this, it is my request all of come and listen to the spiritual knowledge of Sant Rampalji Maharaj. Listen to his spiritual discourses and all your doubts and questions will be answered in the spiritual discourses. Once all your doubts are cleared, please take initiation. There is no money charged here to take initiation. You must have heard, but it is a folklore when you will come and take initiation. No money is charged for it. When somebody is in pain, they do everything to get relief. All those people who are in pain, I would like to request them to please take initiation from Sant Rampalji Maharaj and experience it yourself. Like you are listening it from me about the benefits I received, which include financial, physical and spiritual. I got all three benefits. My brothers and sister, whatever I desire, I was able to attain. Then why can't you all attain it too? All you have to do is listen to the discourse of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, listen to his spiritual knowledge and take initiation and experience it yourself what this Maharaj Ji is talking and all about, and what do we get?
What message would you like to give to the devotee society?
See, I am not capable of giving any message to the devotee society. However, I would like to request all of you, my brothers, sisters, people of the world, to please wake up, else you will regret it. You don't know what way of worship you are currently following. When we buy even a small thing from the market, we search for 10 shops brands. This is of good, this is its quality proof. Similarly, this human life which is priceless, we get it once and not again and again. Now that you have got it, how to get its welfare done? It is in front of you. The ready material is lying in front of you, which Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is telling. Please come and listen to my knowledge. With the help of this knowledge, find out what is missing in devotion that you are currently following and which is the right way of worship that needs to be followed. Understand the difference between both. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj says we all are educated. I would like to request to the educated community that please follow the ways of worship based on faith, not on blind faith. Once you read our holy scriptures, you will realize the spiritual knowledge imparted by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is 101% pure gold. For once, please come take initiation, and the benefits that others are obtaining, even you will have those. Just as we are saying today, one day you will also say, yes, what all Guruji has given us, Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj has given us, and please don't remain deprived. We do not know the amount of breath we have. What is the account? We do not know. But whatever you have, please use your wisdom to think that truly what Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is telling, what his knowledge is all about, all of you please come and take initiation. And just like we have received benefits, you will get them too. Come fast and get benefits and take initiation. This is the only message I would like to give.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.